Greetings people, welcome to the MOTO Machines channel. Today I'm just out here testing these new bars. I'll just show you what we got. Obviously a completely different contour to the original ones, but still fat bar style. I think they look really nice. Can't wait to get them on. That's unexpected. I'm just hoping they're going to have a nice feel to them as they're a completely different shape. But bars, they play a massive part in your rider experience, so getting the bars that suit you is very important. So I've been out today, really just killing two birds with one stone. Not only am I testing out the new bars, I'm also testing out some new trails I've been creating and some new lines. I've been up there earlier, well before I came down here. I literally just done a few circuits, just trying to get used to it. Go around there, just learn it a little bit, you know, if you know what I mean, and it's quite slow technical stuff. So it's actually really good for these bars. But I've just been out to cool the engine down, and now I'm going to head back up and you can see some of that footage. But in the meantime, look at this comparison. Definitely look aggressive, and you'll be in more of an attack position with these. Another low branch. Jeez, that was... he took my head off. Not quite, but it's a bit unexpected. Enjoy that. One more thing I've just picked up on. That's the weight difference. It's noticeable. In comparison, this feels as light as a feather. $15 grams to be precise. Oh yeah. Shit. Last of all then, the length. The Pro tapers have got to be at least an inch longer than the stock bars. I'd say about ½ inch each side. That's just a guesstimation though. I like that bit. Right, and just a quick brief first impressions. Well, visually, to me, it looks like a bull. Obviously a baby bull, a calf or whatever, but the horns just come off of there. Really low and wide. Then we got the feel of the bike. Well, that's completely changed now. You're so much lower. Look, there's no relaxing. Look how low that is. Very aggressive and attacking, that's for sure. Then we got the riding characteristics. Now it's completely altered them as well, as far as I'm concerned, with the lower attacking position. I used to be able to stand up bolt right with my knees locked out if I wanted, holding the old bars. Now with these bars, obviously I've got a bit of a hunchback, so there's no relaxing, not that I ever do on that, because I only use that on small circuits and trails, so you don't get time to relax. Can't think of anything else for my first impressions. They're taking a bit of getting used to. I think visually they look good. It looks very mean at the front, if you ask me. I can't think what it reminds me of apart from a bull. But also when you're riding, it's like being on a rodeo thing. Look. It's just... But they feel really nice, you know. The way this is positioned for your wrists just feels a lot better. And also the other benefit is you can have these in any position you want without having to faff around. One thing I did pick up on is getting the key in and out. With this bar pad you have to move it. That could be a bonus really, because then you've got no excuse for your key getting lost when you're out on the trails. Apart from that though, I can't think of anything else I want to mention. Okay, these trees are going to be alright. Yeah, they're fine. That's actually quite a good section once you get used to it. Before I go any further then, I just want to show you the difference. Look at the height difference. They curve back more. There's more of a kink here. Struggles a bit there, definitely. But that looked different than this. I got some sort of oil leak. Uh-oh. Might just be that Jubilee clip. Looks like it might have come down a bit, I'm not sure. Uh-oh. Can see oil in there. So it's not all gone. Well, that has chucked a spanner in the works. I've got to get home and investigate that. But it'll be alright for a minute or two. Yeah, gives you stability on the bike, a good feel for it, you know what I mean. Overall now I'm really pleased with the bars. Like I said before though, they're going to take a bit of getting used to. Anyhow, I've got other things on my mind now. That's the oil leak, so that's exactly why I cut this test run. Well, it's not been short actually. I've been out for probably an hour. I've been doing all sorts, but you only see maybe today 5 minutes of it. Right then, thanks for watching, especially as you got this far. Hope you enjoyed. Moto Machines out.